Sailing to Byzantium by William Butler Yeats. There is no country for old men, the young in one another's arms, birds in the trees, those dying generations at their song. The salmon falls, the mackerel crowded seas, fish, flesh or fowl, command all summer long, whatever is begotten born and dies. Caught in the sensual music, all neglect monuments of unaging intellect. An aged man is but a paltry thing, a tattered cord upon a stick, unless soul clap his hands and sing, and louder sing, for every tatter in his mortal dress, nor in their singing school but studying monuments of their own magnificence. And therefore I have sailed the seas and come to the holy city of Byzantium. O sages standing in God's holy fire, as in the gold mosaic of a wall, come from the holy fire, burn in a gyre, and be the singing masters of my soul. Consume my heart away, sick with desire, and fastened to a dying animal, it knows not what it is, and gather me into the artifice of eternity. Once out of nature, I shall never take my bodily form from any natural thing, but such a form as Grecian goldsmith make of hammered gold and gold enameling, to keep a drowsy emperor awake, or set upon a golden bow to sing to lords and ladies of Byzantium of what is past, or passing, or to come.